In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a photo into a circle in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is just go and drag your photo onto the canvas like this. Once you have your photo, click on Elements in the left-hand side, and then you'll need to scroll down the categories and click on Frames. Now underneath Basic Shapes, click on See All, and you should see a circle at the very top. Go and drag it onto the timeline like this. So now we should have a circle and also your photo side by side. Now all you need to do is go and drag your photo into the frame like this, and it will automatically convert it into a circle. Now you can also just have the circle frame on the canvas like this, and you can drag in your photo straight from the uploads. Now from here, obviously we can go and resize the circle. You can also double click on the circle, and you can go and change the positioning and also the crop of your photo. You can also choose to rotate your photo in the left hand side, and you can even expand it if you're using Canva Pro. So once you finish, just go and press done. And now we just need to export this as a circle. So if you come up to share in the top right hand side, you can then click on download. And if you have Canva Pro, you can just go and select the option for transparent background. Make sure PNG is selected, and then you can press download. You can see this will now download the file without the white background. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, then what I'd recommend doing is you can head over to an internet browser and type in remove background from image. You can then scroll down and click on this website, which is remove.bg, and then you can go and upload your image with the white background to here, and you can use this online tool to make a transparent background. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.